Nigerian genius.
My name is Momoh David, an electrical engineering student of Yaba College of Technology. So today, the core of our experience here, we started with use of CNC and its application. We went further to design a plastic bottle mold using the CNC. After that, we went to complete our fabricated chair, which we started yesterday. We came back to our classroom to design our PCB. So far, I've been exposed to industrial engineering, different from the one we do in the institution, normal institution. So I'll say that this experience has been a really big impact. So our fans and colleagues in school, we'll try our very possible best not to let you down, and we'll need your vote to go further in this competition. Thank you.
The Nigerian genius.